Alright, so we're going to review the distributive property real quick. So think of the word distribute. It means to hand out, right? If I ask someone to please distribute the papers, it means to hand the papers out to everyone. Normally it means equally. In math, it definitely means equally. If we distribute equally. We normally use distributive property with a number or a variable on the outside of parentheses, so like 3, and then on the inside of my parentheses I have a quantity like x plus 10, right? And so the distributive property means I'm going to multiply equally. I'm going to, because this is 3 times the quantity x plus 10. So I'm going to multiply equally to each of those. So 3 times the quantity x plus 10 is the same as 3 times x plus 3 times 10, which is equal to 3x plus 30. I can do it with variables as well. I can have a variable on the outside times a variable plus, well, here, let's make this minus 5. Again, I'm still going to do the same thing. We'd have x times x plus x. Well, in this case, minus, because the minus in the middle, minus x times 5. So we end up with x times x is x squared minus 5x. Alright, so again, I'm just equally multiplying across the parentheses and only the parentheses. So if I have something like 4 times y plus 2 minus 3. When I do my distributive property, it is only going to go to those that are inside the parentheses. So we're going to do 4 times y, which is 4y, and then 4 times 2, which is 8. So plus 8. And then the minus 3 just stays, and then that would be a combined like term. So we'd have 4y plus 5. And then that would be our final answer. That was a terrible box. Let's try that again. That'll be our final answer there. So, again, distributive property just means that we distribute our answer, or our whatever we're multiplying by, equally across the set of parentheses. So, there's the distributive property. If you didn't know, now you know.